First, we will construct a made up face to break down the proportions. Start by drawing a circle. Simple face structure, front view. Once you are happy with it, divide into 4 equal sections to set up the basic structure. This horizontal line marks where the eyebrow will sit. The hairline will sit about 2 out of 3 above the eyebrows. Now look at the space between the eyebrows and the bottom of the circle. Divide it into third. About 2 out of third down is where the nose line sits. Notice how the distance from the hairline to the eyebrows matches the distance from the eyebrows to the nose. Now, extend the vertical axis beyond the circle to find the chin and determine the length of the face. Take the same distance from the eyebrows to the nose and apply it downwards. You will see that the face is made up of 3 equal thirds below the hairline. To complete the face shape, trim the sides of the circle slightly. The circle represents the cranium, which is more like a ball flattened on the side. Now connect these edges down to the chin to form the jaw lines. Remember to add a bit of hair above the circle, since the circle represents the bony part of the skull. Hair naturally adds extra volume on top. This is important for placing the eyes correctly. If you take the full length of the face from top of the head to chin and divide it in half, that's where the eyes will sit. On this line you can place the eyes. A good rule of thumb is that the space between them is about the width of one eye, almost if a third eye could fit in between. The corners of the nose typically align with the inner corners of the eyes. So, I will thus start drawing the nose first as the reference. To place the mouth, focus on the space between nose and chin. Divide this area into thirds. The bottom third is where the chin sits. The center of mouth, the darkest point between the lips, will be in upper third. The mouth is usually as wide as the center of the eyes, which can help to place it correctly. So, to quickly recap, remember important third of the face. First third is from the hairlines to eyebrows, second thirds from eyebrows to the bottom of the nose, and the third from the bottom of the nose to chin. Ears. Ears fit neatly into the middle third, linking up with the eyebrows and the bottom of the nose. I will try to clean up the practice sketch the little bit, and then we will draw the face from this side using the exact same principle. Drawing features from this side helps us understand the real form of the unlocking head angles. Side view made by easy face better than, so this view might seem a little more complex. Okay. Again we will start with a simple circle and divide it into 4 equal parts. The middle horizontal line align with the eyebrows, which look slightly shorter from the side than from the front. Using the same measurement as before, place the hairlines and the nose lines. Now extend the axis downwards to find the chin and then connected it to the circle. From this side view, the chin usually meets the circle around its midpoint. Now let's focus on the bottom, the third of the face. Divide this area into third again to find the mouth place. Drawing the mouth from the side means noticing how bottom lips curve. The top lip curving downwards and the bottom lip upwards. The chin also sticks out slightly, creating a subtle indentation between itself and the lower lip. Find the eye line in the middle of the full length of face and sketch in a simple eye shape. From the side view, eye can appear much shorter. You can think of them as a small triangle to start with. Next, sketch in some hair to define the hairline a bit more clearly and then added the ear. From the side view, you can easily see the ear sits just behind the face on the back of the original circle. This position is often less obvious in front views, but from the side it's much clearer. So that's the basic structure of the face from the both front and the side views. Sketches this several times to get comfortable with the positions of eyebrows, eyes, nose, mouth and ears. Once you have practiced this drawing portrait from different angles and reference photos become much easier. So now let's in the next video I will show you how to draw faces from different angles along with some incredible effects that will help you to improve your drawing fast. If you would like to stay updated, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.